Hi everyone, it's Melody with Dreaming of Bling. Wanted to come back with an unboxing. This one is from the Bargain Bead Box, and their theme this time was Ancient Icon. And it says, your beads, one of humanity's oldest and most mysterious symbols, spirals, appears in ancient cultures across the globe. They are believed to represent femininity, growth, the cycle of life, the journey of the sun across the sky, and the path of the soul. They've paired it with carnelian and Z agate gemstones that have been featured in jewelry for thousands of years. Rounding out your collection are earth tone treasures, sparkling crystals, and a variety of copper findings. You also get a 30% off order if you're a subscriber at their sister store, beadboxbargains.com. This is a subscription, monthly subscription. It is $17.95 a month, and that includes shipping. This month's features 21 items with an approximate retail value for the shipment of $71. So that's a really good bargain. So without further ado, it comes in a very cute little organza bag. We'll just get it all unpacked here and see what we have. It also comes with a identification key that's numbered so that you can know exactly what you're getting. Let me get it all unpacked. Move the tissue paper to the back. So, number one is a 16-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, Magma AB. So let me find those, and that would be this. Get this little bag open. Very pretty. This is a basic. You know, they give you some of these bicones every single month, but that's okay because it's a good stash, stash builder, and these are really good for spacers. So you don't, so that's number one. Number two is a 16-inch strand of 4x3mm crystal rondelle beads, sea green shimmer. And that would be these. Very, very pretty. Love that color. Love the AB finish on these. It makes them very, very shiny. Love those. Try and get them back in their little bag so I'm not mixing everything up together. Number three is 1 meter of 5 by 5 by 3, 3 by 5, 5.5 by 3.5mm steel Figaro jewelry chain. Find that because I know I saw it. I'm not going to open the chain up, but that's the Figaro chain. Well, I guess I could. And it's in a copper finish. I like this because it's got a little, larger and smaller links. I like that because you can attach things to it. You can use it as a extender. Number four is 46mm spiral pendant, and this is in that copper color, and this is what that looks like. Loving this one. Love that pendant. Nice big focal pendant. Number five is 5-piece 10mm half matte crystal chevron round beads, Magma AB, and I saw these. I really, really like these. Kind of wish we had a little bit more of them. I really liked this box this month. So that's what those look like. Loving that. Love the look that it gives it, the texture. I love the finish, and it's very pretty. Number 6 is 10-piece 15mm brass French hook ear wires. That's those. I never buy myself copper ear wires, so that's really nice to get those in there. Next is 7.5-inch strand of 6mm fiber optic glass cat's eye beads in a light peach color. And that is number 7. I love a cat's eye bead. I just think they look so pretty. So that's these in that nice peach color. Very, very pretty. Number 8 is a 2-piece of a 21 by 13mm spiral chandelier links, nickel free. I know they're in here. Gotta find them. There they are. And these are nice because they're, while they say they're a link, you could also use these to make earrings out of, or a focal, like a pendant. So, you know, or a reducer for a bracelet. I mean, they're really nice. I like those. I love the color. I love the copper color. Number 9 is an 8-inch strand of 6mm crystal faceted pear beads and a champagne shimmer. That's these. And I really like these. These are very, very shimmery, very shiny. Love the finish on them. And they say pear beads because they are shaped a little bit like a pear, like a little drop pear. Very cute. Very nice. Number 10 is a 7-piece 18 by 13.5mm spiral link drops. Am I just not seeing it? Or I can't count. Because it looks like those. Oh, I see what it is. So it looks like I was missing those, but I got number 11. So I'm looking, it's looking like I'm missing the number 10. But the number 11 are these little, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Number 11 is 10-piece 12 by 8mm spiral drops. So that's these. Very cute. I like those. I'm thinking, wouldn't they be cute for a little Halloween type situation with a little spiral? Like those. Number 12, and apparently I got 2 of number 12 but no number 10, which is okay. And this is number 12, 7 pieces of 11.5mm spiral beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And I like these because these slide. These are a metal bead, so they'll slide right onto a chain or beading wire. So there's 7 pieces of those. So it looks like I got 2 of those, which I like because that's really nice. Let's see, where are we at? Number 13, 2 pieces of half spiral drop pendants. Saw these. I like these as well. And that's these. They're like a little half spiral, very Egyptian looking. I really like those. Let's see. 14 3 sets of swirl pattern toggle clasps. Really like the little toggle clasp this time. Oh, how cute are they? I love how everything's all goes together. All your metals are very themed well together. Number 14, that's the toggle clasp. Number 15, approximately 30 millimeter carnelian teardrop pendant. Dyed and heated. That would be this, and I loved this when I saw it. Very, very beautiful. Very fall colors. I really like that one. Fall colors are my jam. I really like them. Number 16 is a 15-inch strand of 6x4 millimeter faux turquoise rondelle beads. Wasn't sure at first how this went in because it just like a different color totally. But these are a faux turquoise, but I really like them. I like their little squished up rondelles. I really like those. You get a good amount. So these are very nice, and they accent very, very well with the browns and orangey looking colors. Number 17, 5-piece strand of 10 millimeter Z style agate round beads, dyed and heated, which are these. I really, really like these. Love these. They look old. And not in that look, oh, it's, you know, but they look like they've been aged and they've sat somewhere, and I really like those. I like anything that looks ancient. Number 18, 10-piece, 12 millimeter handmade porcelain round beads, red orange shimmer. I saw these already. Fell in love with them. I like a porcelain bead. I love the shimmer on them. And really my camera's not doing this justice because there is like this little gold sparkle or shimmer to them that really are absolutely gorgeous. Loving it. Very fall looking. Number 19, 1 piece approximately 30 millimeter Z style agate barrel bead, focal, dyed and heated. I really like this. It is so beautiful. I love the markings on it. I love that it's a barrel, so it could go for a bracelet or a necklace. Loving that one too. Number 20, 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter carnelian round beads. And they're dyed and heated as well. Loving these. Very fall, very pumpkin looking. Reminds me of a pumpkin muffin. Loving those. Can't wait to start designing, getting things out there. So I'm very excited about that one. And then our last one is a 30-piece, 8 millimeter, 5-petal swirled bead cap. So that's what those look like. I love the look. I love that everything goes together. I love getting bead caps anyway. So they have an antique copper finish made of a pewter alloy with the antique copper finish. So that's what the metals are made of. So overall, I'm extremely pleased with my bargain bead box this month. Can't wait to get designing with it. So if you'd like to sign up, go to bargainbeadbox.com, hit subscribe, and it's $17.95 a month, including shipping. And then you also get a 30% off coupon for their sister store, Beadbox Bargains. And that is as well a great savings in itself. So thanks again for tuning in and watching my unboxing. And until next time, see you later.